Kawasaki Philippines Updated Price List 2021. Disclaimer: store prices may vary. Price and specs stated here are meant as a guide for consumers and may not be accurate at all times. Paunawa, ang presyo at specs na makikita dito ay pawang guide lamang sa pagbili. Pwedeng magkaibang impormasyon na makikita dito at sa mga stores. City 100V 41,900. City 100 41,900 to 47,900. City 125 50,900. City 150 57,900. ROUSER NS125V, joke lang, FI 63,000. Fury 125 65,400 to 74,900. ROUSER 180 69,500. Fury 125RR 74,900. Barako 175 Kickstart 82,000. Barako II 87,500. ROUSER NS160 92,000. ROUSER 200 NS 99,900. KLX 150L 122,500. Z125 122,700. W175 130,000. ROUSER RS200 133,900. KLX 140 150,000. Dominar 400 175,000. KLX 230 190,000. Z400 279,000. KLX 300R 300,000. Ninja 400 331,000. VULCAN S 395,000. Ninja ZX25R 410,000. Z650 410,000. Ninja 650 426,000. VERSYS 650 450,000. W800, 515,000 to 557,000. Z900 RS, 642,000 to 664,000. Ninja ZX6R, 672,000. Vulcan 900 Custom, 625,000. Ninja 1000, 655,000. Z1000R Edition, 688,000. Ninja ZX10R, 820,000. ZH2 Standard, 890,000. VERSYS 1000 SE, 900,000. Vulcan 1700 Vaquero, 910,000. GTR 1400, 940,000. Ninja ZX14R, 960,000. Ninja ZX10R SE, 1,200,000. Ninja ZX10RR, 1.355 million. Ninja H2, 1.39 to 1.8 million pesos.